Let's talk about the ProPhoto Aero Mode TTL for Nikon. If we compare this model with the previous Aero Mode, we have the exact same controls, but we're gaining two game-changing features: TTL, or automatic, and high-speed sync. Now, physically we're losing the mini jack input and outputs on this model, but we're gaining a beefier hot shoe connector. The USB input is for firmware updates. First, let's go through the basic settings. I can adjust the power of my light up and down. I can turn the modeling light on or off, and I can put the light into standby mode. I have 3 groups to assign lights to and 8 channels to choose from. The top button switches between modes. On this remote we have the choice of manual or TTL. ProPhoto uses the terms TTL and auto interchangeably. With each shot, the camera takes a light reading through the lens and adjusts the power of the flash accordingly. We have options to sync with the front or the rear curtain of the camera, as well as syncing with the camera in high speed or HSS. For Nikon, these functions are controlled within the menu of the camera. Now let's talk about the high-speed sync. With the remote plugged in, you'll notice that the camera won't let me move past 250ths of a second. So let's dive into the menu. Look for Custom Setting menu, scroll down to E, bracketing Flash. Let's go for the first option, Flash Sync Speed, and adjust that to Auto FP. Now when I go back to my shutter speed, I'm able to sync the flash up to 1/8000th of a second. To sync the flash with the first or second curtain of the camera, hit Info. Hold down the flash button to bring up the flash mode and adjust that to rear. Now your flash is in sync with the second curtain of the camera.